So in the box, you get the whole dome rig. And before you throw away the box, there is another little box right here that has some other goodies in it that we'll get back to. All right, I love this part. It's so nice and lightweight, but it's just really easy to hold. It does come with a cleaning cloth, and it also comes with a dome cover. It is the standard TELESIN dome with the built-in housing for the Hero 9, 10, and 11, and let's just go ahead and say 12 too, because we know that's gonna be the same. The handle part has 2 quarter thread mounts on the top and 3 cold shoe mounts on the bottom, so you can load this thing up with underwater lights. It's really easy to pop the dome into place as well, and it comes with this attachment, so if you didn't want to use the dome but still wanted to use the handle rig and waterproof housing, well, you can do that. These domes are great when you want to get that half in water, half out of water shot, but they also give you a wider field of view when you're underwater. So without the dome, you're actually going to have water magnifying your image even more.
They're going to see a big improvement in their videos and the quality of what they're able to do, so I can definitely recommend it, yeah, for sure.